Nā, e mōhio tia whānui tiana te Māori mo te waiata. Engari tērā nō tētahi tūmomo waiata, kāre i te tino whāia e te Māori ara koera o te whakaari puoro. Engari he huarahi tēnei e takahia ana e te ua hau kāmau i Poipiripi ahi Treiria. Ahi Treiria e hoama. Mei kore noa e tutuki i aia ona moimoia.
Gaston in La Traviata, and also played the role of Giuseppe. There's two characters that I'd most like to play from the operas, but La Bohème and Tosca. Cavaradossi from Tosca, and also Rodolfo as La Bohème.
He kohikohinga moemoea mo tēnei uri o Ngāti Porou, engari ko wai ngā whakatipu āhua e kōrero nei aia.
Big tenor arias and tenor roles, and that's what I strive to be able to perform in 5 to 10 years' time. Opera plays a big part of my life. I do a lot of concerts, a lot of gigs out there, and it's something very different from Māori culture, something very different that you don't get to see every day.
Kua tērā, ko te ua anō hoki te kaiako I te rōpū kapahaka o Poipiripi. Engari he tapiti rawa atu te kotiti o te huarahi mai ona hiahia o mua.
I was lucky enough to have parents that really encouraged me to do whatever I wanted. I was, in 2000, when I finished high school, I was supposed to go and do law. Then what happened was I decided to follow a music career.
Aha kua tērā hei tā te ua. He pipi hei tonua ia I roto I nei mahi e kore he wāhe I tuātu I tēnei, hei hiki a kei te kai ngākau ki nei mahi.
A lot of opportunities in relation to Melbourne Opera Company, being able to do a lot of different parts and little shows with Melbourne Opera. It's been great to give me opportunities that I haven't potentially been able to do in New Zealand, and it's given me exposure to a different world of opera in Australia.
I nā tēnei wāhanga I roto I te whakaari puoro o Madam Butterfly.
The costs in relation to opera also include you need to have a full-time job. So you have to work to then pay for opera. It's really hard to make opera a living, and some of my mates are doing it at the moment, but it's very hard to break into that market of being able to sustain yourself monetary-wise through opera until you make it, or until you're one of the big fish in the, in the huge pond.
I nā ma te whakanui whakaatata iti, ko te hua a tōna wā, ka whānui ake te rānonga. Tēnei Molyneux, te karere.